Selection sort algorithm. Principle. Select the minimum of the list L that we want to sort and swap it in the first position. Select the minimum of the remaining list and swap it in the second position. As you can see, our list becomes sorted, slowly going from the left side to the right side by swapping the values with the minimums. Example, on each iteration, we select the minimum and we place it in front. As you can see, green is the sorted list and blue is the recently swapped item. On this example, you can slowly see the list getting sorted. Yellow is the sorted list, blue is the current item, and red is the current minimum. Here we can see the selection sort coded in Python on the left side and JavaScript on the right side. Let's first see the Python example. So first thing we want to do is iterate. Next we want to initiate a minimum as well as an index for that minimum. Next we want a second iterator, which goes from the first one to the end of the list. Next we compare the second iterator with the minimum, and if it's smaller than it, we mark the new minimum as well as its index. Finally, after the second iteration, we swap the two values, and we have a sorted list. On the right side we have the same thing but coded in JavaScript. So we have an iterator, and then we mark the minimum as well as its index. Then a second iterator, and we compare each item of the second iterator with the minimum. If it's smaller than the minimum, we mark the new minimum as well as its index. After the second iteration, we swap the first iteration's value with the minimum, and we have a sorted array. Characteristics. Selection sort is an in-place comparison, so it's good for low memory. However, it is inefficient because its time complexity is a big O of n squared. And that's it. Congratulations on learning selection sort. Thank you for watching and see you next one.